Mr. Satya?
So sir, I did. So first I found out the value. So minus 2 raised to power 2 is equal to 4.
Okay.
So then I did 4 into, then I found out the value of the minus 5 raised to 3, which is equal to minus 125.
Okay.
So 4 into minus 125.
Aryaman, is it correct?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Sarthak, is it correct?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Sarthak, how should I do question number C part?
So it will be 2. Minus 2 raised to power. It's minus 2 raised to power 4. So it will be minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2. So it will be it will be 16, and it will be minus 3 into minus 3 into minus 3. It will be minus 27.
And then you will multiply 16 into minus 27 and you will find the answer. It would be minus something. Mr. Aryaman, is it correct?
Yes, sir.
See, the basic thing that we need to understand is that if I multiply negative quantities even times, then my answer would be positive. If I multiply negative quantity odd times, my answer is negative. Satya, are we clear about it?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Aryaman, are we clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Mr. Sarthak, how should I do question number 11?
So we'll multiply 10 15 times and 10 10 times. So 2.5 into 10 raised to power 15 is bigger.
Mr. Satya, how should I do it?
So we have to do 3.3 into 10 raised to power 10. Then on the other side, we have to do 2.5 into 10 raised to power 15. So whichever, so according to it, the 2.5 into 10 raised to power 15 is bigger one.
Mr. Aryaman, how should I do it?
So first, we have to show how which one is bigger, smaller, equal to. So we will do 3.3 into 10 to the power of 10. So we'll get 3, 3, and then 9 zeros after it, because it's 10 to the power of 10. So we move the decimal 10 times, and each time we move it, we add a 0 if there's no number.
See, is it clear that this number is bigger? Can you see this? This 10
Yes,
raised to
sir.
15. Mr. Satya, can you see that?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Sarthak, can you see that?
Yes, sir.
So of course, this number will be bigger than this number. Are we clear? Mr. Sarthak, are we clear?
Yes, sir.
Now, out of these two numbers, which will be the bigger number, Mr. Sarthak?
7 into 10 raised to power 15.
Satya, are we clear?
Yes, sir.
See, you look at these numbers. This is a bigger number. Of course, one thing that you will have to take care is that these should be in the same format. Satya, are we clear?
Yes, sir.
See, in both these questions, these numbers, they are in the same order. Can we see that? Because you might have a case like this. You might have a case like this. Now, which is the bigger number? Mr. Sarthak?
So it's the 20,000 into 10.
Satya, have you got the logic? Mr. Arman, have you got the logic?
Yes, sir.
So what I need to understand is, I need to first focus on this number. Here I can see that this would be equal to 2 into 10 raised to power 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But here it is 2 into 10 raised to power 2. Satya, have you understood the logic?
Yes, sir.
So now I can compare because these two numbers are in the same format. That is why this number is greater than this, and therefore this would be greater than this. Mr. Ariman, do you agree?
Yes, sir.
Great. Satya, any doubt on this page?
No, sir.
Okay. Sarthak, were you able to do question number 3?
Yes, sir.
How did you do it?
So first we multiplied 13 and 13 raised to power 2 into 9.
Okay.
So
Then
will do 13 raised to power 18 into 13 raised to power 2. So that will be 13 into 13.
after that,
So
Sarthak, are we clear?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Satya, are we clear? Mr. Satya? Mr. Ariman,
Yes,
are we clear?
Yes, sir.
yes, sir.
See, what we have done is we have multiplied this 9 and 2. First, we have multiplied this 9 and 2. This is equal to 18. And then there was this 2 waiting. That 2 is still waiting here. Now this divide, I have simply put, because these two numbers, they are in brackets. What I've done is I have put this in the denominator. Satya, is it correct?
Yes, sir.
See, it becomes a bit easier to see the question. Then this 18 and 2, the bases are same, therefore the powers are being added. 18 plus 2 is 20. And then of course 13 raised to power 7 is still waiting in the denominator. And then what I have applied is 20 minus 7. The rule that I have applied is A upon M upon A is equal to N is equal to A raised to power M minus N. The rules that I have applied here are A raised to power M. Let me change the font 1 second. The first rule that I applied was A raised to power M whole power N is equal to A raised to power M into N. The second rule that I applied was A raised to power M into A raised to power N is equal to A raised to power M plus N. And then what I applied was this rule. Satya, are we clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Sarthak, how should I do fourth thing?
So we'll take out the prime factors of 148 and 56.
How will you find the prime factors of 148?
So we'll use the prime factorization method. So first we'll do it with 2. So it will be 74 and then again with 2, 37. Then we'll do it with 37, so 1. And then we'll again do it with 2 and then again with 2 and 2. And
Satya, are we clear now?
Yes, sir.
So these are the prime factors of 148. These are the prime factors of 56. Then Satya, what should I write in exponential form?
So that's what I didn't understand. I did the prime factorization, but I didn't understand what do we have to do ahead.
Mr. Ariman, how should I do next? What should I do next?
So all the alike ones, like we'll count all the 2's. So there are 5 2's. So we'll write 2 to the power of 5. Then there is only 137. So we'll write into 37. Then there's only 1 7. So we'll write into 7.
Shabash. Shabash, Mr. Ariman. Sarthak, is it correct?
yes, sir.
Mr. Satya, any doubt?
No, sir.
Mr. Ariman, how should I do A part?
So we'll simplify everything. So 3 to the power of 3 into 5 to the power of 3 into 7 to the power of 2. So we'll calculate everything. So 3 into the power of 3 is 3 into the power of 3 is this thing.
अरे दादा ऐसा नहीं. Sarthak, how did you do it?
So we divide 21 raised to power 3 and 3 raised to power 3. So the powers will be cut, and then we can normally divide 3 and 21. So it will be 7. And then 7 minus 2 is 5. So 5 raised to power 3 and 5 raised to power 3 can be cut. So it will be 7 raised to power 2 upon 7.
Mr. Ariman, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Satya, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
See, these are very, very good questions. Whenever you get time, I think you can take time till Sunday because your exams are going on. You can take time till Sunday and, try to do these questions. They're very good questions. Okay. So, Satya, have you understood what I've done?
Yes, sir.
Basically, 21 cube would be equal to 3 cube into 7 cube. So this will be 3 cube into 7 cube. And this 7 minus 2 cube would be equal to 5 cube. Ariman, are we clear?
Yes, sir.
And now this 5 cube, 5 cube, 3 cube, 3 cube, and this would be 1 upon 7. Satya, are we clear?
Yes, sir.
Sarthak, is the answer correct?
Yes, sir.
Great, sir. Mr. Sarthak, good job. Mr. Sarthak, how should I do this question?
So there are it's p raised to power 3. So it will become p raised to power 1 on the denominator, and it's q raised to power 1. So it will become q raised to power 1 on the numerator. So it will be 81 p raised to 81 q raised to power 1 r upon 12 raised to power 4 p raised to power 1. Yeah.
Now I'm getting confused. 1 second. Okay, 1 second. I'm getting confused between the p's and the q's. So this is 81 upon 12 raised to power 4 into this is my p and this is my p. So this would be 2 minus 3. Sarthak, is it correct?
Yes.
Then there is a q. This is a q, this is a q. 2 minus 1. Sarthak, is it correct?
Yes, sir.
So I'm clear about this. This would be p raised to power minus 1. This would be q raised to power 1. This would be r. This I am clear. Mr. Ariman, what should I do about this?
So I would let it be, or else find the
You would let
answer
it
for
be.
12 to the power of 4.
Okay,
And,
Mr. Satya.
and then
Mr. Satya, what will you do?
So first I would find the answer for the 12 raised to power 4. And then I
Arey,
would
दादा, वैसा
divide
नहीं है.
it.
Arey, that is what I'm trying to tell you guys. Yeah, this is exponents. So you'll have to apply your brain. I can write 81 as 3
3
are
into
9.
3, yeah.
Shabash. Shabash. See, in exponent chapter, you need to apply the rules of exponents. 3, 9, 27, 81. Ariman, are we clear?
Yes, sir.
Have you got it? How to do these questions?
Yes, sir.
So this would be. So see, I am applying the rules of exponents to solve these questions. भाई सत्या समझ आ रहा नहीं आ रहा?
समझ आ रहा है, sir.
And that is why I am suggesting that to take time till Sunday and try to do questions at least till Sunday. So now I can write 81 as 3 raised to power 4. And I can write this 12 raised to power 4 as 3 raised to power 4 into 4 raised to power 4. Ariman, are we clear?
Yes, sir.
So 1 second here. 1 second. So this would be 4 raised to power 4. And what I will get is this will get cancelled and I'll have just 1 upon 4 raised to power 4. Mr. Sarthak, are we clear?
Yes, sure.
So my final answer would be 1 upon 4 raised to power 4. Arman, are we clear?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Satya, are we clear about the rules of exponents?
Yes, sir.
Or do we still need to revise the rules?
No, sir, I know the rule.
Okay.